If you're one of those people who feels like you would do a better job repairing your credit on your own, but you just need that guidance, you just need the direction, you just need to be told what to do and you'll do it, man, I am here for you. I've got a ton of ebooks that we have available. If you want to check out our LinkTree, we have all of our ebooks listed on there for purchase, so you can check out what we have. We also have a ton of free value. We have a free ebook right now, which is how to get an 800 credit score. And that really goes over some of the basics on how to obtain an 800 credit score and some of the data points that you'll need to make sure you're meeting in order to get to that point. So check out our LinkTree. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We are always here to help.